Good day, everyone. I am Rafael El Makabudbud, and I'm gonna share the central theme of the novel The Giver. Okay. The central theme of the novel The Giver is the importance of memories, emotions, and individuality in human life. Because these things make people truly human and help them understand the world deeply. In the story, the community chooses sameness to avoid pain and conflict, meaning the leaders remove differences and strong emotions so that everyone would live in a controlled and peaceful society. However, because of this system, people also lose freedom, love, and genuine happiness since they are no longer allowed to make personal choices or feel deep emotions. Through Juna's experiences, the novel shows that memories, whether painful or joyful, it is important because it teaches us valuable lessons and help people appreciate life more. Jonas realizes that sadness and suffering are part of life, but they also make love, family, and happiness more meaningful. The novel also reminds us that a society without freedom of thought and emotions may appear peaceful, no? But it lacks true humanity because people cannot express themselves, no? We cannot express ourselves or live authentically with that. Thank you.